Want to make your first sale with AI by Monday? Here are 3 agents you can set up and sell this weekend. No coding, no clients, no waiting. Let's turn simple automations into real income, starting now. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we turn smart tools and simple systems into real income streams. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step blueprint. Let's dive in. Here's the deal. If you've been thinking about making money with AI but feel overwhelmed or unsure where to start, this is your moment. Because in this video, I'm going to show you 3 plug-and-play AI agents that you can build using ChatGPT and Make.com and start selling on Gumroad this weekend. These aren't complicated systems. They're practical, in-demand tools that solve real business problems. You build them once and sell them over and over again with zero extra effort. Let's start with the first one, the Content Scheduler Agent. If you've ever talked to a small business owner or you are one, you know the pain. They know they need to post consistently on social media, but between managing clients, handling logistics, and just running the day-to-day, who has time to write and schedule 5 posts a week? That's exactly where your AI agent steps in. This system replaces hours of brainstorming and scheduling with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. You start by creating a simple form using a tool like Notion, Airtable, or Tally. The form includes a few key questions to guide the AI, like what the business is about, who the target audience is, the tone they want for their posts, whether it's professional, fun, or bold, and which platforms they want to publish on. Once they hit submit, ChatGPT generates 5 high-quality posts for the week, fully customized to their answers. Then, using Make.com, those posts are automatically scheduled through Buffer or Publer. You can even take it a step further. If you're using Publer, let ChatGPT write captions with hashtags tailored to each platform. Want to include images? Use DALLE to generate custom visuals on the fly. Want to track performance? Add a final step that logs previews and link tracking into a Google Sheet. The entire flow is seamless. Someone fills out the form, ChatGPT writes the content, Buffer schedules it, and the user gets an email with a preview and a quick message letting them know they can edit anything if needed. And the beauty is, you don't need to write a single post yourself. You build the system once, and that's it. This is perfect for solo coaches, Etsy shop owners, personal trainers, bloggers, anyone who struggles to post consistently. You package the Make scenario, include a PDF guide that explains how to plug in their OpenAI and Buffer keys, upload everything to Gumroad, and price it around $19 to $29. One-time build, infinite sales. This is what passive digital income looks like. Now let's move on to agent number 2, the Review Collector Agent. This one is pure gold for service-based businesses. We're talking massage therapists, hair salons, dog groomers, real estate agents, dentists, tattoo studios, the list goes on. These businesses live and die by online reviews. But here's the problem. Most of them never ask. Or they ask once and forget. That's where your automation changes everything. Here's how it works. Every time a new client is added to a spreadsheet, a CRM, or a booking tool like Calendly, Square, or Fresha, that action automatically triggers your agent. ChatGPT then creates a personalized message, something like, "Hi Sarah. Thanks for coming in today. It means a lot to us. If you have 30 seconds, we'd love your feedback. Here's the link." Make.com sends that message right away by email or text, totally hands-off. And if the client leaves a review, a second message goes out to thank them. Thank you so much. We're lucky to have amazing clients like you. You can also collect all the responses into a Google Sheet or a Notion page. That way, businesses can easily reuse those reviews on their website, their Google business profile, or even on Yelp. This system doesn't just increase the number of reviews, it also helps filter out negative feedback before it hits public platforms. You package this as a plug-and-play product. Call it something like Smart Review Booster for local businesses. Include a PDF setup guide, the Make.com scenario file, and some quick tips on how to personalize it. Want to make it feel even more human? Add a delay of 24 hours before the message is sent. It'll seem more thoughtful, less automated. Listed on Gumroad at $25 to $39. And make sure the product description explains that this agent increases social proof, and that means more bookings and more trust. It's a no-brainer for any business trying to stand out. All right, now for agent number 3, the lead follow-up booster. This is a personal favorite because it hits a massive pain point: lost leads due to slow follow-ups. Let's be honest, if someone fills out a form on your website and doesn't hear from you in the next 5 minutes, they're probably already checking out a competitor. But here's the solution. This agent follows up instantly. We're talking less than 60 seconds. Here's how this setup works. The moment someone fills out a form, whether it's on Tally, Typeform, Google Forms, or even Webflow, that instantly triggers your agent. ChatGPT then takes the information from that form and writes a personalized message. It could say something like, "Hey Mark, thanks for reaching out about family photography. I have availability this weekend. Want to chat options?" Make.com sends the message right away via email or SMS. And you can also add a step that saves the lead's info into a CRM, a Notion database, or even a MailerLite list for future follow-ups. Want to take this to the next level? Build in a short follow-up sequence. On day 1, the lead gets the thank you message. Around day 3, they get a friendly check-in asking if they're still interested. And by day 7, you send one last reminder, something like, "Last chance to claim your spot this month." It's all automated, all on autopilot. And who is this for? Anyone capturing leads online. Photographers, life coaches, realtors, agency owners, consultants, tutors, even personal chefs. And the results speak for themselves. Businesses that respond to new leads within 5 minutes are 9 times more likely to close the sale. This isn't just a convenience, it's conversion power. To turn this into a product, just bundle everything together. Include a detailed step-by-step PDF setup guide, the exported scenario from Make.com, and, if you want to go above and beyond, some optional email templates and scripts they can copy and paste. Upload it to Gumroad, give it a title like Instant Lead Booster, the 60-second follow-up system. Price it between $27 and $37. And make sure buyers know they don't need any tech skills. Just a free Make.com account and a few copy-paste steps. What you're really selling isn't automation. You're selling peace of mind. More leads closed, more reviews collected, less work for your customer. That's why these agents work. They solve urgent problems with minimal friction. Now, how do you actually deliver and sell these agents? Use Gumroad. Create a clean product page for each agent. Upload the Make.com file and the quick start guide. Add some screenshots that show what the agent does. And focus your product description on the outcome, not the technical setup. Say something like, "This AI agent follows up with new leads in 60 seconds, so you never lose a sale again." Set your price, hit publish, and you're in business. The best part? You don't need a big audience to start. Just share your link in the right places. Drop it into Reddit threads, Facebook groups, Twitter replies, anywhere people are asking for help. Pitch it as, "I built this tiny system to solve X problem." If you want the plug-and-play version, it's here. People love shortcuts, and that's exactly what you're offering. You can go from zero to your first digital product in a single weekend. And once it's live, it works for you around the clock. If you want a full guide showing the tools, templates, and steps to build and sell these agents, check the pinned comment below. I've linked a blueprint to help you start building your digital income system right away. And if this video sparked an idea, hit the like button and subscribe for more no-fluff tutorials on turning automations into income. Let me know in the comments which agent you're building first. I'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching to the end. Now go build, go sell, and go profit. See you in the next one.